From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Here are all the tracks for the 2024 hurricane season. Mention this because hurricane season officially ends on Saturday. Now, that doesn't mean you can't have activity outside the official season, but November 30th is the end of at least the official season. Was very busy. Here are the 5 landfalling storms: Beryl, Francine, Helene, Milton, and Debbie all made landfall in the continental United States. 18 named storms, 11 hurricanes, 5 major hurricanes. The last named storm was Sarah. As we mentioned, hurricane season does continue until Saturday, November 30th, but as we do move past that, tropical activity drops off. So typically you don't expect a whole lot of tropical activity past November 30th. Matter of fact, the National Hurricane Center is not expecting anything over the next 7 days, so we do expect quiet conditions. Quiet this afternoon as we go into the evening and into tonight. Could have some minor travel delays indicated by that yellow region there as a cold front does approach South Carolina and Georgia and parts of North Carolina. Thursday morning, same thing. There could be some minor delays as we are expecting some showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder. As we get into the afternoon hours, any delays will kind of move generally towards the east and then off the coast, and looks like things will be pretty quiet Thursday evening and as we go into Friday morning as well. It was pretty quiet yesterday other than a handful of light showers. Officially no rain at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport. We did make it to 70 degrees. Haven't had any measurable rainfall since last Wednesday when we picked up 0.13 of an inch of rain, but we'll have at least some opportunities for a little bit of rain tomorrow. 84 degrees is our record high. 20 is the record low. The record rainfall was set in 1987, and back in 1950, very cold back then, we did have a trace of snowfall. Mostly cloudy skies throughout your day. As that cold front does approach, it's going to be a stronger cold front. We'll have the chance for some rain early Thursday. This is 6 o'clock Thursday morning. This is 7 o'clock. Here comes that shower, maybe even that thunderstorm activity. Small chance we could have a thunderstorm or two as this strong front moves through South Carolina. This is 9 o'clock, and as we get to about 11 or 12, most of the activity will be out of our area, and then that colder, drier air will start to spill into the Midlands. So it is going to be noticeably cooler Friday and into the weekend. Here's your Thanksgiving forecast. Rain, maybe a thunderstorm early. And then as we get into the afternoon hours, we're expecting mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures topping off in the low 70s. It will be breezy on Thursday too. This is Thursday morning. Winds coming out of the southwest 15 to 20 miles per hour. We could have some stronger gusts as we go throughout the day. And then as we go into Thursday night, those winds will start to shift a little bit more out of the north and west. That's going to bring down that colder air. As we mentioned, chance for severe weather. Very small chance at this point for Thursday, and it's really dependent on how fast the cold front moves through. If it kind of lingers and it doesn't move through until later in the day, the chance for severe weather will be a little bit higher. If it comes through earlier in the day, the chance for severe weather will be lower. But really low chances for severe weather. Do believe the greatest threat would be damaging wind gusts if we were to get a strong or severe thunderstorm Thursday. Not a lot of rain. Maybe a quarter of an inch if you're lucky for parts of the Midlands and South Carolina. Elsewhere, you may get a 1/10 of an inch or a trace. Would not expect a whole lot of rainfall Thursday. We dry up on Friday, dry, cold weather for the weekend, and especially next week. That's going to be kind of the trend next week, some colder than normal conditions. Low temperatures dropping over the weekend, upper 20s to near 30 degrees, maybe lows right around 28 Monday morning. Today, we're expecting highs in the mid to upper 60s, mostly cloudy. Those rain chances will increase as we go into the morning hours with morning lows tomorrow in the mid to low 50s. If you are going to be going to the South Carolina Clemson game, kickoff at noon, expecting a temperature of about 46 degrees, a little bit of a breeze out of the southwest at about 5 miles per hour. A lot colder next week with highs in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees Monday and Tuesday. We may even drop to the mid 20s. It looks like Tuesday morning, so much colder once we get this strong cold front to move through the Midlands. Heading to the beach over the weekend, highs in the low to mid 50s. Charleston will be a touch warmer maybe on Sunday, and then things will start to cool back down Monday and Tuesday with afternoon highs Tuesday, possibly only in the lower 50s. Upstate forecast mid to upper 40s Monday, Tuesday, low 50s for daytime highs over the weekend. As we do look ahead, 8 to 14 days out, we do expect colder than normal conditions. Our average high is 63, the average low is 39. It's going to be drier than normal during that same time frame, so December 4th through December 10th, we do expect drier than normal conditions. Thanksgiving, obviously tomorrow. Black Friday is Friday, 2 days away. And as always, follow me on these social media outlets if you would like to. Have a great Wednesday.